this is how the cameras are being used to do 3D printing and scanning. هذه بعض المهارات التي يستعملوها المصممين المعماريين وغيرهم، والذين يستعملون الطابعة الثلاثية وينتجون الروبوتات على شكل إنسان وغير إنسان. فأرجو مشاهدتها على BBC iPlayer. فكثير مهمة لتعليم الأطفال على المهارات الجديدة. Very important skills to teach your children in 3D printing and scanning.
So the projector is actually going to be one of the most important elements of Lola's den.
So we're not doing this on like a TV screen. We are going with a classic actual cinema projector.
Classic projector, that's correct.
Morale demonstrates how Lola's projector will work using one she's made with a shoebox. So you have a beam of light that goes through an image, carries on through the magnifying glass, onto a big blank wall, so you see a massive cinema picture.
That is correct. But how big that image is going to be will be determined by the projector.
Well, I think we should give it a go and see if it works, shall we?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Lights, please. Oh, I've got the magic.
وهي مهارة أيضا إنه كيف يستعمل الكاميرا وفي البيت يعني في المنزل تعمل بروجيكشن على الجدار وتقرب وتبعد صندوق الحذاء وتشوف الفيديو على شبكة كبيرة على جدار الحائط في المنزل. يعني يعلمون الأطفال مهارات رائعة، فأرجو الاهتمام فيها.
Now that the projector is in position, the team can get to work on yet another coat of paint.
There is a lot to paint, a lot more than I thought.
You know, the pressure is on.
There's still loads to be done, as all of the fittings for inside the den are yet to be installed. And there's the cinema sign to make.
We've got a bit of a problem
هاي
because we can't find the piece of acrylic
الشت تبعهم سووا سينما في البيت تبعهم في الحديقة.
We need to try to source another one because we just can't find it.
Morale hits the phone to try and source a replacement.
It is quite important.
If she can't find a new piece of acrylic, Morale won't be able to create the centerpiece of Lola's den, her cinema sign.
يفعلون السينما في الحديقة في المخزن في الحديقة.
It's day 3 of the build and time is ticking. The missing acrylic has delayed progress again.
Wow, my den! Oh, it spelled wrong. So far, so good though.
هيسووا سينما في الحديقة. لولا السينما سموها. يعلمون الأطفال مهارات التصميم ومهارات تحسين الحديقة وأغراض في الحديقة.
Guys, come on, you're superheroes. You can do this.
Everything has to be done. There is no doubt about it. So even if it takes us till 12 midnight, we will be here to finish it.
That's more like you.
The lights go down on a very busy day for the Dengineers, and tomorrow is the eagerly awaited premiere of Lola's Hollywood Cinema Den.
Lola had a problem. She needed a den. In just 4 days, one team transformed her garden and brought her Hollywood cinema dreams to life. It's the Dengineers.
Good job you guys are here though. It's the reveal day and we do have a few little things left to do.
It's all hands on deck to get ready for the reveal.
The popcorn machine needs testing.
We can do it, we can work it out. Oh.
Go on.
The code is popping.
Popcorn!
I'll see the finished den for the first time.
I can't
الآن خلصوا السينما التي بنوها في الحديقة لهذه الطفلة، وسوف يحتفلوا معها بإدخالها إلى السينما في حديقتها. يعطوا أفكار للأطفال. Dengineers سموها لولا السينما. خلال 4 أيام صمموا لها في الحديقة هذه السينما.
Transformed into classic film posters, and she can make her favourite snack with an awesome popcorn machine.
Lola, family and friends, are you ready to see the den?
Yeah! In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1!
That's fantastic.
Look at that. What do you think?
That's amazing.
How cool.
You've got your red carpet entrance, your popcorn door.
What do you think? What's the first thing that's catching your attention, Lola?
Like the Lola cinema and then the door.
And if people want to come in, they've got to get a ticket from here. You've got your own box office.
Come on here. How cool is that? What do you think of those?
That's amazing.
I'm not upset, I'm happy to see your reaction.
She wanted this to be so special for you, and she can see the smile on your face. Mum, what do you think?
Oh my gosh, it's incredible. Absolutely blown away. The best thing I've ever seen.
It's actually fantastic. I didn't expect it to look anything like that. But it's brilliant.
Right, Lola, are you ready to go inside?
Yeah.
Come on, let's
Let us grab the door for you.
Wow. Oh, that's
What's that?
photos and seeing the popcorn machine.
Popcorn machine.
try some.
That's good.
Good, right? What else is catching your attention in here?
The statue.
That's your very own award. I love it.
It's actually you.
And it has your holiday hair on it. Even better.
That's really cool.
And you've got a stage
Yeah.
to perform and make your own films, your own director's chair.
Welcome to Lola's Den. How good is that? I'm going to dim the lights. That's where you can watch your movie in big screen. In fact, you should probably take a seat. How's that? You look right at home. And of course, we've got a space for your mum to come and sit next to you so you can chill out with mum anytime you like and watch your favourite films.
Guys, come and see my dad.
How is that? Can we watch a good film from here?
Yeah, we've got the best seats in the house.
Yeah,
That's the thing that
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's
Wow. They've even got your knobbly knee.
that's the upcycle we did when we made a stage.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that.
What do you think this will mean to Lola?